it is absolutely awesome to walk into our CEO's office and say, hey boss, look what we're being recognized for.
I'd like to present the 2024 Best Competency Based Learning Program, an award which is well deserved, to Cintas Corporation.
This is saying that the collective work of all of our different training and development strategies on reliability are worthy of being an example to others.
My name is Mark Bolen. I'm the Vice President of Engineering and Sustainability at Cintas Corporation.
My name is Eric Ayanegui. I am the Senior Director of Operations Engineering. We are the 2024 Uptime Award winners on the category of Competency Based Learning. Once we learn about reliability, a small group, the engineering group is the one that discovered that there's more than basic maintenance. Then we set out on a quest that, hey, who needs to know this? We developed our own internal courses, an introductory course of the Uptime Elements. Who should know about Uptime Elements? Definitely every tech, a maintenance supervisor, plant site manager, corporate engineers. We've identified about 2,200 to 2,500 people. We've already introduced it to 1,700. So every member of the engineering team that deals with the plants and reliability, they have to take the course. Why? Because then the more they understand the Uptime Elements, they'll understand what we're missing if we're not apply them, but then also so they can see the big picture. Not only they can be sure that in some elements we're doing really well, and in some elements maybe we have work to do.
The more you know, the more you realize how much you don't know. Getting people educated and getting them ramped up into the system just reveals how much more we got to go. We were experiencing some turnover in our maintenance department, and at the same time we had people on hand who could do the work, that needed some training and the expertise. So we developed our own program, the Maintenance Apprentice program, where we're taking current partners that we have at Cintas and taking them from a job that's like mat rolling or folding towels or something that might feel like a job, and are working to develop them into a career. We moved people over who are mechanically inclined. And what we know about people is when you invest in them, they see the investment, they appreciate the investment, and they stay with you. And ultimately, we want people to stay with us and grow with us. There's no more rewarding opportunity than to give someone a lifelong career in an area maybe they didn't start with us in.
When we let people know about this award, I think it's also validation to them that the strategies that we are asking them to participate in are well intended, they're well supported, and also they're correct. So we're on the right track.